Hello guys, I'm Tino Anand and welcome to my channel. So today what I'm gonna be talking about is making money on Instagram theme page or an influencer page. So under that, how many followers you would require to start making money on Instagram, the best ways to monetize your Instagram theme page or an influencer page, how to find brands that would advertise on your page, and finally how much on an average an Instagram influencer or an Instagram theme page make. Let's get started. So yes, making money on Instagram is actually a thing. Going on into how many followers you would require to start making money on Instagram. Actually, there is no specific number that I can give you, but usually it starts from around 1000 to 10,000 follower range, and depending upon your niche and also how engaged your followers are. If you are a product page or a clothing page and you have a beautiful collection of your products, you can start earning anywhere from 1000 to 10,000 follower range. You might ask me, what if I don't have any products to sell? Just go ahead and start linking affiliate products to your page and start promoting those products, and you'll start earning. Even if you have only one follower and he uses your affiliate link and buys a product, you would earn a commission, but that is usually super rare. If you are thinking about sponsored posts, you would have to have really engaged followers, and nearly all your posts must hit the explore page, which would obviously attract advertisers to post on your page. Stepping into the best ways to monetize your Instagram theme page or an influencer page, the first kind of monetization would be through sponsored posts, wherein advertisers would be sending in their posts to be advertised on your page. In return, you would charge them a specific price for that ad. The second and easiest way to monetize your Instagram theme page would be to affiliate with networks like Amazon and Clickbank, wherein you would be given a specific link through which, if your follower or anybody buys something from that link, you would be paid a percentage of the sale. The third kind of monetization would be through selling online products such as an ebook. So think if you have a fitness theme page and you can create ebook on weight loss or weight gain and link it to your bio, from where you would make easy bucks for just creating an ebook with good information, by the way, which is already available for free. The fourth and the best way to monetize your Instagram theme page would be by creating a drop shipping store. So for the people who don't know what drop shipping is, it is basically an e-commerce website wherein you create a website and source products from AliExpress and send the product directly to the customers, making a profit by increasing the actual price by keeping the difference from the increasing of the selling price. The fifth and the final monetization way for your Instagram theme page or your influencer page is by selling your own products online. So if you are a manufacturer and you would like to improve your sales and get a good amount of money on Instagram, you can be selling your own products such as clothes or handmade products or even sketches that you are doing, or even portraits of people. So going on into how to find brands or advertisers who would be sponsoring ads on your page. So for this, you can go to a website called as Shoutcard, wherein they connect you directly to the brands and they keep some cash for doing that, and you earn a profit. Another way to start finding brands that would post ads on your page is by DMing the brands and offering to post some ads which would directly promote their products or even their page and earn them some money or even followers through your page. Before going into the last topic, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for quality content on making money on Instagram and also online. Coming to the end, how much on an average an Instagram influencer page or a theme page makes? So on an average, a page with 1k to 10k followers can be making anywhere around 80 to $100 per sponsored post, and a page about 10k followers can make around $200 per post, and a page from around 100k to 1 million followers can make anywhere between $700 to $1,000, but this may vary depending upon your niche and also engagement rate. If you are in travel, beauty, fitness, business, or wealth niches, you might be even earning a lot more when compared to owning a meme page or any other similar pages. This is because niche pages such as travel or fashion have a very defined audience when compared to a meme page which has a broader audience. And for a travel related company, it is easy to find customers for their products or services when compared to finding it in a meme page, and it would be really hard to sell their products. So having a specific niche page would earn you a lot more than having a meme page. So that is all for today, guys. Hope all of you guys have enjoyed my video. Make sure to share this video with people who would require this information, and peace out.